Welcome to Dave's Diaries in France. Enjoy the video.
It's Friday already?
Hello, Friday the 5th. 5th? Is that right? No, the 6th. 6th of December. And what have we been doing? I'm at the Diaries. Today is all been about sanding. And hence no camera work. Oh, I look like a panda. So we're in the what is classed as the bedroom number 1. Oh, that's a bit bright, that sun. So let's get in this corner over here. So I sanded that wall there, and above the window and below the window. I've still got stuff drying in this corner and this wall here because it needed a top-up coat. So I can't do anything more in there. In the lavatory, I've now skimmed all the walls, and I've done the ceiling today. Oh, I do look like a panda. So I've got to wait for that to dry and then sand that down. And then after that, I've just got to smooth out this wall here, fix the hatch there, and smooth out this wall here, and finish the stairwell, removing the paper and filling in the cracks there. And then after that, I can paint, and that's a result. So anyway, that's the end of Friday's one. I'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah, Monday.
Morning. It's Monday, the 9th of December. Wow, that was a storm this weekend. Hell of a storm. Driving rain, wind, the lot. It was crazy. Saturday, it was just basically housework and house duties because you couldn't do anything outside because the wind and the rain was ridiculous. And then Saturday evening we went to a charity event at a local hall, I would say, where there was a band on, and great meal, and yeah, it was really good. I really enjoyed it. We had a power cut. So this is what happens when you have a power cut when the band's playing. Everything it went to emergency lighting, the lot. So I'm going to show you that clip now. So yes, Sunday it was just a veg out day, and today it's beautiful out there. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to sort out the moles because I'm here today, and then tomorrow I'm back in the Diaries and do some editing, I think. Anyway, catch you later.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, it's a cold one out today. I haven't caught any moles. It's windy and it's cold, but I've reset the traps. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 traps set. Nothing caught. No idea what I'm doing wrong. But hey, found some storm damage as well, right next to the air source heat pump outlet, whatever you want to call it. It's temporary fix because we're having it replaced anyway. It's this panel here that had broken away because the wood's rotten, so I'm not going to rebuild it. I've just put a patch in place. Basically the brackets were torn off, so I've replaced the brackets. I've put a bit of a batten on it and bracketed the bracket, the this batten to the rotten piece. Hopefully that'll hold. And I've replaced this one and put a pin, safety pin through it. It's a steel pin, so that's not going to move. Plus it's also held in place on the other side by a rope. Personally, it's a bodge job, I know that, but because we're having it replaced, I'm not going to spend money on wood for another, I don't know what you would call that, a protective piece to stop something. But they've put a hole through it for observation purposes. No idea. Anyway, that's me done for today. I'm going to go in and get out of the cold. I think it's 3 degrees. I've done what I needed to do. Tomorrow I'm in the do-upper, so I will catch you then.
It says Tuesday.
Hello! Tuesday, the 10th of December. I bet you don't know what I've been getting up today. Well, let's go and have a look, shall we? Well, because the temperatures have been getting lower and lower, I've decided to fit the radiators, one there, one over there, and one over there. They're not permanently fixed, they're temporary fixed, because I have to take them off the wall, obviously, to paint. So that's there. So I've had them on today in this place. And believe it or not, they're very, very good. Very good. Really good, actually. I've had to turn them off because it got so warm in here. So, let's have a look. This front bedroom, it's a bit dark in here because of the bulb, is now, apart from just that top bit at the window, everything is sanded. Everything is sanded. So it's pretty much ready for paint. Well, I've got to whip the skirting off and then paint. The bathroom, the toilet, the upstairs toilet, I've sanded all walls apart from just here and just at the top there, and the ceiling, obviously. But I've had to do this one by hand, because the amount of dust that the sander throws up, I can't see. And you could probably tell, what's the state of me? Oh yeah. Do we have a snowman? So, yeah, there we have it. So I finished for today. I've got to go to the boulangerie, get a baguette, and make my way home, because I've had enough today. I've been here since I don't know, 9 o'clock, and it's, what time is it now? 4 o'clock, and that's just sanding and fitting radiators, obviously. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Ta-ta for now.
It's Wednesday. Is it?
Wednesday, the 11th of November. Not a lot I can tell you today, apart from I'm in the do-upper again, and yeah, I look like an Eskimo. So, I mean, I spent, 3 hours trying to get through traffic, which is ridiculous for some reason. I think it's to do with Christmas, don't you think? So I had to go to Brico to get some supplies, and then Leclerc to get some bread, because we're out, and get back here. And all I've managed to do is not a lot, actually. Put a radiator up. So most of the radiators are actually hooked up now, and they're set to go off if the temperature gets at freezing point, at which point they'll just fire up and keep the temperature above freezing. We're upstairs. I've managed to finally sand all of this toilet now. So and I've had to do some work at the top there for where the VMC comes in. That's got to dry, so that'll take a couple of days. But I've noticed this hallway here also needs a skim. It's like the moon's surface, full of craters. And this one doesn't look too good either. So my skimming is not finished, and I've got to do this corner up here. But apart from that, what else can I tell you? Well, let me see. The car is fixed. I think I've told you about that. That was quite expensive. I think it was 800, was it 800? 600 euros? Fuel pump. Brand new, apparently 1,200 euros. So, fingers crossed on that one. Told you about the air source heat pump. That's still going, even though we thought last night it was going to go belly up. We just need a break. We need some luck. We're not getting it. I'm coming down with a cold or man flu or something. I can feel it in my throat. So tomorrow I'll be back here again, sanding as per normal, and I just got to get everything done, ready for paint. So yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. I'm sorry the video, I'm not going to film if I'm sanding. I don't want any of my camera equipment to fall foul, if you know what I mean. So as soon as the sanding's finished, skimming, sanding, etc., then we're rolling. And I do apologise it's taking forever, but it is taking forever. If you want a good job, you have to make sure it's good. My wife has high standards. Look at me. Anyway, I'm going to go, and I'll catch you tomorrow.
Thursday?
Good morning, all. It's Thursday, the 12th of December. You can probably tell by my voice that I'm not very well. I got home last night, and I was in bed before the wife came home. And I was up at silly o'clock this morning, 6:30 this morning, taking some medication. Excuse me. The wife, my good wife, told me this morning that the car had come up with its emergency stop engine fault, blah 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 again. Bearing in mind this is a Renault Kadjar, which is a 2017 model. It's not particularly high mileage. We had a discussion this morning saying that this is the last time she buys a Renault. And I really agree with her. They're, I think they're going the JLR route with substandard engines that don't last forever. I mean, I've looked online and I've seen some people that have had the same issues, and they've taken it to a Renault dealer, and the Renault dealer has said you need a new engine. What's all that about? I've not looked into the cost of a new engine. We're not going to go there. The wife took it to the garage this morning. They cleared the code, and she's taken a photo of the mileometer, so we can establish when it comes on again, and then he'll run another full diagnostic on it, and see what else he can do. at the moment, that car is a money pit. I just hope we can get it fixed. We can get it fixed and then get rid of it. Not happy about it at all, as you could probably tell. What else? So I'm not at the do-upper today. If I feel better tomorrow, I'll be there tomorrow. I've got to get things moving. What else? There's nothing else been going on. We're still waiting on a quotation for the air source heat pump. Why aren't we getting a break? We seem to be hemorrhaging at the moment where cash is concerned because of things are going wrong. We need a break. But apart from that, everything's swimming. Life is good, apart from I'm sick and we're hemorrhaging money. We're good, honestly. And it's winter and it's 3 degrees out there. And I actually had to turn the temperature down, the thermostat down in the house because it was too warm this morning. So I'm touching wood here that the air source heat pump stays with us until March. I hope so. And then we'll have the G up and running by then, and we would have hopefully, fingers crossed, completed the doer-upper and sold it, because the area we've bought in is prime. People want to live there. The house isn't to my taste. Either of our tastes, but it's an investment, and all we have to do is modernise it, and that's all. And we spent a lot of money on it, just on the electrics alone, and that's not cheap in France. So I'm going to keep this short. I'm going to shove this video out today. I'll keep on videoing and see how it goes. And as soon as I've finished all the sanding and stuff like that, and we're looking forward to the paint then. We have a plan going forward. We discussed it this morning. The plan going forward. It looks like we're going to go for another handy shan experience. To get another puppy to try and train it for disabled people and challenged people alike. That is next April. So it looks like we're going down that road again, which is, I don't mind it. It's just that we need all our ducks in a row, i.e. the renovations complete, the G up and running, so I can focus on our property and the handy shan. So that'll be good. That'd be really good. So there we have it. That's this week's vlog done. Please like, subscribe. You never know what I'm going to get up to, or what state I'm going to be in. But stick with me. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta for now.